When it comes to educational printing, a reliable printer can be useful in many situations, like in a preschool, where making lessons more engaging can be rather difficult. With the TC-20, you can effortlessly improve the way your students learn. It comes bundled with the PosterArtist web application, which makes creating educational posters easy. And they can be printed in large sizes for greater clarity. If you need multiple copies of important class materials immediately, the TC-20 can swiftly print them on standard A3 or A4 paper. With versatile printing for a wide range of different sizes, you can easily display what you need for class and make lessons more engaging for your little ones. Sometimes you need to print a lot in a short period of time, and that can happen during a school open house. Plenty of worry and trouble can arise when you are facing time constraints, but you can worry less when using the TC-20. You can easily design what you need with the PosterArtist web application, which includes a wide variety of templates. The TC-20 can also print any design, including large banners of any length and up to 24 inches in width with roll paper. From design to print, the process is intuitive, saving you precious time. The all-color cyan, magenta, yellow, and black pigment ink creates vibrant high-resolution printouts that are durable due to their water-resistant capabilities, letting you display your open house banners for the big day on time without worry. Having a variety of ways to print can open up a lot of options, especially if it's your learning center's grand opening. The TC-20 offers printing on a multitude of paper sizes, perfect for creating the promotional posters that you need. Posters created have vibrant colors, and their vivid red highlights make them look visually appealing, ensuring that you can reach out to as many potential students as possible. Thanks to the TC-20 printer.
Canon, delighting you always.